Hello, brilliant minds and trivia enthusiasts. Welcome to Quiz Crafted Knowledge. Here, we'll dive deep into quizzes, games, and enriching knowledge bites that will challenge and entertain you. Today, we're diving deep into the enigmatic world of riddles. These aren't your everyday, run-of-the-mill teasers. No, these are mind-benders, designed to stretch your thinking and ignite that spark of aha. And there you have it. A journey through twists, turns, and tantalizing teasers. Remember, it's not about getting every riddle right, but about the thrill of the challenge. How did you fare? Don't forget to tally up your points and drop a comment below sharing your score.